Are you getting ready for your next holiday destination? Here are some essential tips to help you prepare for a carefree and enjoyable trip. First, make sure to research your destination thoroughly to familiarize yourself with the local customs, weather, and any travel advisories. This will help you pack the right clothing and prepare for any cultural differences. It's also important to make photocopies of important documents such as your passport, travel insurance, and itinerary, and keep them in a separate place from the originals. Consider getting travel insurance to protect yourself in case of unexpected events such as flight cancellations or medical emergencies. Don't forget to inform your bank of your travel plans to avoid any issues with using your credit or debit cards overseas. If you are traveling to a foreign country, it's a good idea to learn a few basic phrases in the local language to help you communicate with locals. Finally, make sure to pack essential items such as medications, sunscreen, and a travel adapter to ensure a smooth and stress-free vacation. By following these tips, you can make sure you are well prepared for your upcoming holiday and can focus on enjoying your time away.